Someone draw the letter D. Okay.
Slarg.
Listen.
Slarg.
No, it's not even funny.
Okay, dude.
Nah, dude, Slarg's trying to do fucking
Oh,
Umbrella
no,
Academy over here.
That's the easiest round
look.
ever.
Wait, why, Joe Peel?
Fucking,
Why are
it's
you
retarded.
talking? It's not Slarg. Joe Peel is trying to pin blame on
If you
Slarg.
realise they hacked me, then of course I'm gonna get it wrong.
Why would
Nah,
Joe Peel?
I think it's Joe and
I
Slarg.
think it's Joe and Slarg. I think we should vote this out right now.
I think Joe's using reverse psychology.
I think we
throwing?
should use our time and.
We have
vote-
we have 9 more
do
minutes.
something.
No, let's vote this out.
I think we should vote Slarg and Joe up.
I think we should vote Joe and Slarg
No,
out.
I don't.
I think it's funner when we
Fucking
vote
go
each
now.
other out instead of doing it 9
Jamie, if
minutes.
you insist one more time, I'll vote you out.
Go do it. I'm innocent.
Yeah, why are you being so fucking up Sklarg's ass then?
Sick
Calm
of them.
down.
He's sick of us, dude. Yeah, he's right.
Sick of Joe and his dumbass drawing skills.
Pick someone else, like just to see.
Even this the deliberation deck.
I should say I did get hacked that round because I got a thing for making a volcano instead of making the end of the world.
So then he would not have been hacked.
You can hack 2 people.
Yeah.
I just tested it.
Small confession.
Alright, well-
Where we're going.
Question mark?
Welcome to the deliberation deck. Humans will be given a difficult decision and must choose which answer seems appropriate to them. Aliens will see
This is
no
bad.
difference
Let me put
on
Jamie in this. You click eat it.
No what?
When the crew sees the full statement, aliens may have to justify their random selection or
Protein,
face
bro.
suspicion.
Bro, I'd say eat it.
I mean,
Let's see
try
what
that
these
shit.
players choose. If they're an alien, I bet it's peculiar.
Oh yeah, everybody click the hurry up button so the aliens can't waste time.
This game does not account for pranksters.
No pranksters allowed.
There is no
No silly bullies.
there's no trolling allowed. No
Should
goofing.
Bill decide on fucking what hack to use?
Yeah, it's wasting time, dude.
And
You need to
here's
change
what
menus when you go to
humans
hack.
saw.
Yeah, sure, dude.
Every time you eat cheese, you destroy a
Genocide
small
is funny,
sentient
but,
universe. You must.
Maybe not.
Eat more cheese.
Guys, I don't think it's Joe Peel and Slarg. I'll tell you that one.
Just makes terrible life decisions.
Alright, just keep voting Slarg. And if he's
Why?
the alien, he'll run out of hacks eventually.
Do Joe Peel and Slarg, yeah.
I think
This
it's
is
Joe
ridiculous.
Peel.
I don't think it's Joe
No,
Peel.
of course
but
one's
there's
Joe Peel, Big
one
Well.
other.
Not Joe
There's
Peel.
another one.
It's Slarg and
Jesus
Casper, dude.
Christ. Oh my god.
It's just Slarg and someone, I know that.
Why is it me?
Well,
I'm just
Bennett
Joe
said
Peel.
it was you, man.
The
Guns are
virus
dangerous.
is now
Me and Jimmy
online.
might be testing
Never
one
do
time.
the bioscanner, it's a waste of time. We can never complete it.
Oh, you can.
Yes.
You just need someone who actually explains shapes.
It's the code gear symbol, I don't know what to tell you.
Just say the actual fucking look of the symbol.
Alright, come on, Joe Peel.
Me
Alright,
and
everybody
Jimmy
click
have only
hurry
been
because
tested
you'll waste
one
as much
time
time as you
each.
can. No.
When you put me and Jimmy in the
Alright.
bioscan, that'll be epic.
Motherfucker's not clicking the hurry button. Click the hurry button.
No,
Alright, calm down,
Oh
man.
shit.
This virus has
You gotta put another person in there, Joe.
Yeah, he knows. He's an alien. He's wasting our time.
But you're not voting out me and Sklarg, so, you know.
Need to pack it in right now, dude.
It's waste.
You done ran out of time,
Alright.
Captain.
No, what? No, I clicked it before. That's so unfair. Guys, why did you just vote
Just-
Joe Peel and
can we just
Slarg?
vote out Joe Peel right now? It's pissing me
Joe
off.
Peel and
Yeah,
Slarg.
we can only vote out. We
Let's
can
vote out
two
Joe Peel and
people.
Slarg. Joe Peel and Slarg.
Why me?
Peel and Slarg. Yes, let's
No,
go!
I
Let's
think-
Go
go!
vote out Joe Peel and
Wow.
Slarg.
Yes, let's go, big
Vote
ones!
out
Joe Peel and Slarg. Joe Peel and Slarg. Let's go, let's go. Joe
Right,
Peel and
whatever
Slarg.
you do, I'm saying no, so it won't happen.
Joe Peel and Slarg. Joe Peel and Slarg.
He's throwing.
Joe Peel Slarg.
Alright, hurry up. Push the hurry button.
Since this is our first time here, you have two.
I can't
Casper,
select Joe.
Casper.
Yeah, it's Big Weld's turn. Big Weld has to click.
You should vote both of us out. No, that's not
What?
Sklarg.
What?
That's not
That makes
Sklarg.
sense.
That's not Sklarg.
What? What?
Don't vote this out. Don't vote this out. You guys will lose.
What have I done?
Then the humans
Yeah, Big World, if you vote out someone who's innocent, you instantly lose, so don't vote this out.
for us all. Okay,
Just-
time to vote.
You can't vote like one person on their own, you have to vote out
I mean,
both
it's
people
pretty-
and be
It's
correct.
pretty obvious.
No.
No. You will lose.
Yeah, you're gonna lose.
You will lose.
Pretty throwing. Oh, it's because we have low time. That's why it's glitching out. I was like, what?
The vote passed.
No.
Oh, we're
That's crazy.
losing.
Sorry, Jimmy. I tried. Sklarg, that was so good of you, man.
What?
Winning.
I mean,
Dang it.
What did you
I'm
say
quitting the
to
game. I'm
me?
going to bed. I'm quitting the game. I'm going to bed.
I mean, everybody wanted to do it.
I said
Yeah.
vote out Slarg, man.
Yeah,
I
but
said
then-
choose
I
double
was gonna-
bluffing,
I
and
was
then you
gonna
were all
say
like,
no,
oh,
but then
maybe
Casper
we
you
should
can't
use
stop
our,
me
But
from
then
hitting
maybe we
the
should
finish.
use
it,
our
and I was
6
like, yeah,
minutes
that's
to,
probably right.
maybe we
Let's
should
do
use our
that.
6 minutes to incorrectly vote and do the fucking deliberation duck. No, maybe we should choose the 2 guys who are actually the aliens. How
You
about that?
voted for
No, how
pasta,
about
didn't
how
you?
You
about we
listen
do
to
more
me.
tests? They run out of hacks.
Yeah,
Jamie,
okay,
then you can
dude.
over certain.
Pick a side.